At the last show, the guys came back with a phenomenal deal of that last year of issue of the Morgan silver dollar. It was made at Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, by the way. And with this deal, we can offer all three mints at an incredible value. Let's take a look.
Now, we should specify the last year of issue in the original run because the Morgan dollar did see a resurgence in 2021 with the new releases.
Right, that's true.
But these are the 1921 Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco Mint Morgans were in that bag. So tonight, as a special, we are going to offer you these stunning final year of issue coins during the initial run at just $59.95. If you buy one, you'll get the Philadelphia Mint issue. If you buy two, we guarantee you a Philadelphia and a Denver Mint issue. And if you buy three, you'll get the Philadelphia, the Denver, and one of the old Granite Ladies' finest, the 1921 S Morgan dollars. All these coins are in just $59.95 each, and it is item number 905-10576. It's 905-10-57-6. And we are just $59.95 each, a price that has us at least $76 less per coin than our nearest competition. You can call in at 1-866-518-5933 or head over to our website, avccoins.com. Head up to the search bar and put 905-10576 and grab one of the more iconic silver dollars in United States mint history.
And you're looking at 1921, over 100 years old at this point. Alex referenced that in the year 2021, they brought out those Morgan dollars for the 100th anniversary of the last year of issue. To celebrate that anniversary, they brought out Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, New Orleans, Carson City, along with the peace dollar. And that was to celebrate this coin right here. This is the original series. It started in 1878. It ended in 1921. They brought it back for one more year where they're getting the peace dollar ready. And this is that year, 1921. Again, Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco. Buy one, you're guaranteed that Philadelphia Mint. Buy two, you're guaranteed a Philadelphia and a Denver. And of course, at quantity of three, purchase a quantity of three, you'll get that third coin is the San Francisco. Now, Denver only made coins in 1921. They did not make coins throughout the entire series. They pitched in 1921 to help out, and that's why this coin and this presentation is very, very special because that Denver Mint is included in here. I'm going to direct you to where to find the mint marks. It's on the reverse of the coin, underneath the wreath, above the D and the O in dollar. That right there is a Denver Mint. You can see it right there. We're going to pause for a second. That's where you'll find an S Mint mark there for San Francisco. When there's nothing there, and it's a blank space, those are Philadelphia minted coins.
Now, the Philadelphia Mint, Denver Mint, and San Francisco Mint in 1921 are known in the Morgan Dollar series for striking some of the absolute highest mintages by far. We're talking almost 45 million coins at Philadelphia, well over 21.5 million at Denver, and well over 20 million at San Francisco. Altogether, they would strike 86,730,000 silver dollars that year. However, very few of these coins have survived the test of time and exist today in any condition whatsoever, let alone beautiful uncirculated condition. Despite 44.6 million total coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint, NGC and PCGS today in MS60 or better condition, so in uncirculated or better condition, there are just 271,412 coins known today. That breaks down to almost 1/2 of the entire 1/2% of the entire mintage known today. Just 0.6% of the entire Philadelphia mintage is known today. So 1 in every 165 coins are known to still exist in this condition or better. The Denver Mint, with 21.6 million total coins, has just 43,925 in MS60 or better condition. That's less than 0.25%, just 0.2%. Only 1 in every 494 coins struck. And the San Francisco Mint, the rarest of the group, had 20.3 million total coins struck in 1921, yet today they have just 32,374 known in MS60 or better condition with NGC or PCGS. That comes down to 1 in every 628 coins struck at the San Francisco Mint in 1921. That is just 0.16% of the entire mintage known to exist today. When you can find these coins with our competition, they would cost you at least $136 for the Philadelphia, at least $149 for the Denver, and almost $200 for the San Francisco. Altogether, it would cost you over $484 to buy those 3 coins with our competition. If you grab 3 coins with us tonight at $59.95 each, you are going to save well over $300 while grabbing all 3 of the final Morgan dollars struck by the U.S. Mint in 1921.
The most iconic, original silver dollar is the Morgan silver dollar. Let's talk really quick about how these coins were made. They were struck at the Mint, Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, respectively, for this presentation. And they were struck into bins. They went through coin counters. They were put into bags, and they were shipped across the country to banks on trains. So it is very common that you'll find uncirculated coins from the tellers in those days that have bag marks. They're still uncirculated coins, but they were, if you consider how they were moved around the country, that is why, you know, they will have bag marks. It's very, very common. But the things to look for in uncirculated silver dollars in the Morgan series, above the ear, you have that hair curl that goes around the ear. Look at all those curls. They're very, very defined. It's an uncirculated coin. On the back of the coin, the reverse, at the breast feather area across his chest, his breast feathers, you see detail there. Those are the 2 high points of the coin where we would wear first in circulation. When there's detail there, of course, that's uncirculated, and as it wears, it becomes more of a circulated grade.
Yes, and besides the fact that these coins heavily circulated throughout the United States, which did result in the vast majority of them just being worn down and destroyed over time, a lot of the 1921 Morgan dollars, regardless of what mint they came from, were actually destroyed by the U.S. government. You see, after the 1918, was it the Pittman Act?
Yep.
Yes, after the Pittman Act, silver started spiking, and they had to melt down a large number of these silver dollars. As a result, the adage was the coins last put into the bank vaults would be the first ones pulled out. And these 1921 Morgan dollars were the last Morgan dollars struck by the U.S. Mint before the transition to the peace dollar later that year. As a result, many of these 1921 Morgan dollars were completely destroyed, making them a unique collecting secret, because many collectors are just starting to realize just how rare they actually are when you break down the numbers. We are at least $76 less than our nearest competitor at just $59.95. And if you buy 3 coins with us tonight, we will guarantee you the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. All 3 coins from the final year of issue during the original run of the Morgan dollar for $76 less per coin.
Join us online, avccoins.com as well. Item number 905-10576. Again, buy 1, you get the Philly. Buy 2, you get the Philly and the Denver. And if you put that quantity 3 in your checkout or mention it to our operators as well, you're guaranteed the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. But really quick before we move on, there are no limits, so feel free. If you join us with 6 or multiples of 3, you'll get 2 of each, 3 of each, etc. Folks, we do have to be moving on. This is a great one. Thanks for joining us on this